All right, guys, today at Advantage Lumber, we're going to show you something new, something special, because here at Advantage Lumber, what we specialize in is this long length decking. A lot of our competition, they're not going to want to sell you anything over like 12s or 15s. So what we specialize in is long length, 16s, 17s, 18s, up to 20-foot lengths. And whether that's wood, that's composite, we have all the different options for decking, long lengths. So you can see here, we start with, whether it be wood, the piles of wood where those are ready to go. They can be milled or we pull those straight for a shipment. So whether or not you need like siding or decking, we got all these long length wood. But here we have a composite order. It's TimberTech or Trex, I'm not sure, but they're pulling this order right here. So you can see that we have the pallets, we have the know-how. We know how to package these long length deck boards that 16, 17s, 18s, 20s. So here we go. They're packaging it up. They're getting this ready to get shipped out on a truck. So all this stuff's going to be placed, with the face of the deck. They position it a certain way so nothing gets damaged. Those deck boards are going to arrive to you, no damages, ready to go. So right here, they're starting the process. They're arranging the deck boards. This right here, this is another order of synthetic decking. They have to get this ready to get packaged. So this is ready to go, but they had to just arrange it in a particular way that's gonna ship to you well. There won't be any damages. So this is what we do all day, every day. We get these deck boards, long lengths. We know how to handle the material. We know how to package it. It's a very specialized operation. You can see over here, this is our bundling area. They take great care. They make sure all the deck boards are arranged properly. They wrap them up real good. They cover the whole bundle. They make sure this strapping is protected so it's not going to damage the deck board. So when it arrives to you, it's going to be ready to go, ready to install. You don't have to leave your house. It shows up. All you have to do is cut those the bands right there. You cut the bands. Comes off the truck. You store it. If it's wood, you have to acclimate it. But composites, you're ready to go. The bundle will show up. You cut those bands. You store it wherever you're going to install it, and you're ready to go. So Advantage Lumber, we are the one-stop shop. We have wood, we have synthetics, and like I said, long length decking, 16s, 17s, 18s, up to 19s and 20s. We're ready to go. We'll ship them right to you.